Today we will talk about the topic that connects ancient wisdom and modern scientific discoveries, about why Buddhism and quantum physics are so often compared. Buddhism arose more than 2,000 years ago, and quantum mechanics at the beginning of the 20th century. It would seem that there is an abyss between them, but when you begin to peer deeper, the parallels become amazing. Buddhism teaches about shunyata, voidness. This means that things do not have an independent essence and exist only in relationships. The world is a process, not a set of fixed objects. Quantum physics came to a similar conclusion. Matter, which we consider to be solid, is mostly empty. Electrons and particles are not small balls, but rather wave probabilities. Reality is much less stable than it seemed to us. Buddhism claims everything that we perceive passes through consciousness. There is no pure world without an observer. Quantum mechanics unexpectedly confirms this idea. An experiment with a double gap shows the particle behaves like a wave. So far, no one measures its condition. The observation act literally changes the result. Buddhism says nothing exists separately, everything is interconnected. What we call I is only a stream of processes, not a static essence. Quantum physics demonstrates something similar through the phenomenon of confusion. Two particles can be connected in such a way that the changes one instantly affect the other, even at great distances. Buddhism uses koans, paradoxical issues, to show limited logic. Quantum physics is also replete with paradoxes. The particle can be in two states at the same time, and reality manifests itself only at the time of measurement. It is important to understand, Buddhism did not predict quantum mechanics, and physics does not prove Buddhist philosophy, but the comparison of these ideas reveals to us new horizons of thinking. It reminds the world is much more complicated than the usual picture. Reality is not a set of solid objects, but a lively, interconnected system which is largely dependent on perception. And perhaps this is exactly what the ancient teaching and modern science unites. They both indicate that the usual understanding of reality is only the surface. A much deeper secret is hidden behind her.